Now we're going to prepare our tequila chicken quesadillas. Except for we're not going to use the tequila. But let me tell you what goes into this recipe. We need 3 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast, julienne, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, 2 dashes cayenne pepper, 1½ tablespoons of cumin, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 red bell pepper julienne, 1 green bell pepper julienne, 1 small red onion thinly sliced, 1 ounce of tequila, which is optional, 8 ounces of Colby Jack cheese, Monterey Jack, or cheddar shredded, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped cilantro leaves, and 2 tablespoons of sliced scallions. Okay, let's get going. All right, we're going to turn on our heat, and we're going to put our olive oil just enough to cover the bottom of the pan. And again, for time's sake, we have already cooked our chicken, so we're going to get that going. And here are our red and green peppers. We're going to put them in. And you notice with our last dish, we had red and green peppers. So try to do these 2 dishes at the same time, and because you're going to use a lot of the same ingredients. So just cut up a lot. And we're going to put our red onions in. And we'll give it a stir. And we don't want to really, we want them cooked, but we want them just to be tender, but firm, all at the same time. This smells so good. Okay, so we're going to let that cook up for a while. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put in our cilantro. That smells good too. And now we're going to put in our green onions or scallions, spring onions. It's a lot of different names for the same onion. Okay. We'll stir that up some more. See how it's cooking down a bit? It's not as full as it was, but it's getting nice. Okay. Let it continue to cook. And then we'll put our garlic in. Smells nice. Okay. Now we got it going on. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put in our chicken and our seasoning. Okay, again, we already cooked our chicken. Okay. Stir that up. Okay, now we're going to put in some of our cumin. And a couple of dashes of red pepper, cayenne pepper. Okay. And a little bit of black pepper. And some salt. Okay. And we're going to give that a stir. Now the second part comes in. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 prepared flatbreads and we're going to cut it in quarters. So we have 2 and 2. It's 4. Okay, now we're just gonna peel these back like that so you know which ones go with which. Okay, now we're going to take a layer of cheese on our bread. Okay. You can be generous with your cheese. And we got the 4 cheese blend. Okay. Now, the next thing you want to do is put some of your mixture on the quesadillas. This is your quesadillas. So you want to put some chicken and some of the green and red pepper. Make sure each one gets a little of everything, okay? Let's get some green peppers out here. Okay. And some more chicken. All right. Onions and green peppers. And some chicken. Okay. So this one looks a little all right. Here we go. Now that we have those layered, we're going to put some more cheese on top. Then we're going to put the tops on them. The next thing we're going to do is put our butter in the pan. And I guess what we're trying to just cover the pan with butter. And you want it high, but you don't want it real high because butter will burn. And I'm not trying to get it to burn. Okay. There we go. All right. It almost reminds me of making a grilled cheese sandwich. Okay, we don't want but so much butter. Okay, now what we're going to do is, let's see, maybe this one will work better. We're going to put this on heat, just like that. I think we'll do 2 at a time and put this one in. We're going to cook that, and as soon as it gets brown, we're going to turn it over. Okay, this should be brown. Let's see, let's take a peek. It's browning. And we're going to turn that over. Wish me luck. Ah, very good. There. And these are your homemade quesadillas. See, like I told you, that butter will melt quick. You let it cook on the other side. See how that looks? And you can see the cheese has melted. So I would say it's time to come out. Oh yeah, this one's real nice.